this video, I'll be showing how an admin can set activity types for the school. The admin first needs to log in to the school portal. Next has to go to classes. From the rightmost drop down, needs to select the activity types. In this page, the admin can add, edit, or delete the activity types. Now, what is an activity type? It is basically the all categories of work that students do in every class, which means these are the type of activities based on which the evolution of the students is done. And the activity types and their weighted percentage is set for the entire school. It cannot be set differently for different classes. So we can create one activity type. The admin can edit. We can re-edit and change it to some other marks. And then also delete the activity types. One more thing the admin needs to keep in mind that once an activity type is marked or graded by the teacher or the admin, it cannot be deleted. Since this is our demo school, some of the activity types are already marked. For example, the class test or the homework. So we cannot delete it anymore. So it shows the warning cannot delete assignment type, which already has records. However, since final is a new activity type, we can delete it easily. And this is how an admin can manage the activity types. And this is only given access to the admin.